So our spring storm was predicted to come on Friday. Instead, it came on Saturday evening, March 13th, and it's been snowing from March 13th through March 14th. And at 6 p.m. Sunday afternoon, it's still snowing, and I've got over 3 feet, almost 5 feet of a snowdrift on my deck, and I'll show you that. Watch this. Alright, this is Friday afternoon for the impending storm coming this weekend. This is what it looks like now. Well, storm of a generational storm, Saturday afternoon update. So far, really not much. But they say it's coming, it's still coming, which I believe it is, but it's just a little slow right now. But it's a lot less snow than we had about 2 weeks ago when we had a foot of snow drop on us. This is supposed to be beyond that by about a foot to 2, but anyway, still a little too warm for the snow to be sticking, as you can see on the sidewalks. Streets are starting to stick, but right now it looks like we're barely about a half an inch of snow. But it is Saturday afternoon, 6 p.m. So we'll update this tomorrow. Thanks. Well, it's about 2:45 and there has been a lot of snow. Look at that drift right there outside of my slider door. It's just as high as my grab rail for my deck fencing. Look at that. Boy, that's at least 3 feet right there. And look at the drift on top of the rail. It's over a foot. Yeah, the storm is definitely here, and it is real. Look at that, all that snow. Looking out into the street down below there, a truck just passed by. This thing has problems trying to focus, but that's a little update. 2:45 in the afternoon, about 3 hours from the last time I made the last video. Alright, a little update on this winter storm here. It's about 5 p.m. and look at that mountain that has grown of snow. That's a drift on my front, outside my slider door here, and my steps to my deck. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to open the front door and you're going to see all this snow. Oh my gosh, get ready, here we go. I'm going to go to the front door. Alright, here we go. The front door opens and look at all that snow. Oh my God, look at that. There's that mountain. Oh my God. This is my deck. Look at that. Yeah, at least 2 to 3 feet of snow right here, this mountain right here. I mean, this is just my front doorstep and then just this mountain of snow. Oh boy, we got it all right. Thank you. So, a little more than 24 hours later, that spring storm, look at this mountain of snow. There's my handrail, which is about, I don't know, 3.5, 4 feet high. This mountain of snow is higher than my handrail on my deck. You're looking down my steps there in the street, and I'm going to open up the door. Open up my front door. And you see that mountain of snow right there, and it is still snowing. And this is my deck. And I'm going to show you a second here. Got this 2 foot leveling ruler. Put it right here. And you can see that's 2 feet. And there's that mountain of snow. That's like 5 feet of snowdrift on my deck, and it is still snowing Sunday afternoon around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. right now. Incredible amount of snow and snowdrift on my deck. There's where my I go up and down my steps and my rails, the snow on my railing. Oh, this is an incredible amount of snow. Oh boy.